is that?
Green.
It's orange.
Orange.
Good girl.
Orange. Orange.
Orange.
Orange.
Orange. What's this one?
Orange.
That is orange. What's this?
Green.
Green. Good girl.
Green.
What about this color?
Color.
What color is this?
Green.
That's blue.
Blue.
What about... What's this color?
Green.
That's purple.
The purple.
What about this one? What's this color?
Green.
That's yellow.
Yellow. Green.
That's orange.
The orange.
Good girl. Orange.
Not orange.
Orange. You're funny. You're funny.
Like blue.
What do you want to do?
Thank you.
Thank you. We build things with them. Can you put them together? What color? Green. What else?
Green.
What's that one?
Turkey. Key.
Purple.
No, purple people.
Purple. Or magenta. It's more magenta. Say magenta?
Dada. Dada.
That's right. Can you build something for me? No? Where's Daddy? Where is he? Do you know?
Daddy.
Is he at work?
Look.
Yeah, he's at work. Do you want to go see Santa Claus today? Yeah? If it's not, it might be snowing still.
Toy.
Do you want to see your friends at the Santa Claus thing?
Ooh, pizza here. Ooh, pizza.
Orange?
Orange. Orange.
What's this one?
Orange. Yellow.
That's blue.
Blue. Yellow.
You want to count them?
2.
Good girl. Count them. Count them. What are you looking at? Looking out the window?
No.
What's out there? Snow?
No.
Do you want to put your snowsuit on and go outside?
Shush.
And take pretty pictures in the snow? Where are you going?
No.
Where?
No, up.
You want to go up?
Up.
Let's stay down for a little bit.
Up.
Are you dancing? Are you dancing?
No, still dancing.
You're dancing.
Cow. It's a
What?
It's a cow.
Cow. Good girl. That's your cow. Cow? What's a cow say?
Moo.
Good girl. Moo.
Cow.
Cow. Thank you for the cow.
No, cow.
Thank you. And monkey. Thank you. Oh, nice cow. Give cow a kiss. Give cow a kiss. Aw, nice cow. He loves you. What about monkey? Give monkey a kiss. Good cow. Give monkey a kiss. Aw, nice girl. Does Monkey still have his dress on? Monkey has his dress on? Your shoe on? Why do you want to wear your shoes? We're inside. We are down. We don't need to go up right now. Do you want a snack? Let's go get a snack. Let's go. Let's go get a snack. Lead the way. Go to the kitchen. Go to the kitchen. Come on, let's go get you a snack. Do you want to help Mommy cook? Come on, let's go. Come on, little lady. Let's go get you a snack. Alright. Say bye-bye to the camera. Bye, camera. Say bye-bye, camera.
I'll hug you.